The cold girl makeup has gone crazy viral on the internet. So today Femica and I are bringing you our version of it. Hi guys, this is Megha Mukherjee here. I am an internationally certified makeup artist. And I am here to teach you everything about makeup for free. So if you're ready, then quickly hit the subscription button down below and we can get started. So first I'm going to take the hair off of my face and I'm just going to clip, and I'm just going to use these clips. It is really funny that I'm doing this makeup look today because I actually have cold and my voice might be sounding a little weird to you guys. Stuff. Definitely starting off with some heavy moisturizer because I have extremely dry skin. Cold girls are cold but never flaky. So always moisturize your skin really well. After moisturizer, I want to lay down the base for that frosty look, for which I'm going to take some liquid highlighter and put emphasis on that. So first I'm going to start with my cheekbones, and fingers are absolutely fine for this. So I'm just going to build up the glow here. This look is really easy because there are not too many steps included with this, and it's very easy to remember also. So I'm just gonna apply it on all the high points of my face. And whatever is left here, I'll mix foundation with it. Make sure you're using the foundation that is exactly your skin color during the winters, and do not go for your summer shade at all, because it will just end up looking way too yellow. Either way too yellow or way too dark for your skin. And if you guys have been seeing me for a while, you know I always apply my foundation in sections so that I have more control over the application. So here I'm just gonna use a brush to blend out all the foundation. Can you see that adding the leftover stroke cream to the foundation has given this overall glow to the face. Now that I'm done with the foundation, it's time to go with a highlighting concealer. Concealer done. The most important part of this video or this look is a good blush, because again, as I said, it's the chilly flush look on your face. So for that I am taking this blush. It's from Just Herbs and it is called Pink Forever. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to use a brush and will just apply it on top of the cheeks. You can build it up, you don't have to use it all at once. I know you're enjoying this video and you're watching it with so much attention, so I would request you, please subscribe if you haven't already, or else you will definitely miss the other uploads that I'm going to do. So do it right now. Okay, now I'm going to take the blush on top of my nose. Now the trick is you have to make a red nose, so just put a little bit of blush on the tip of the nose. And I'm doing this just because that is the trend. If you want to wear this makeup look without a red nose, you can definitely do that. So to set my face, I am actually going to use translucent powder because I don't want any yellowish color on my face. So I'm just gonna set under my eyes, around the nose, and anyway it's winters, so not too much powder is required. So now for my eyes, I'm going to take a very nude, neutral sort of a shade, which is like this. And this one also has a nice pink tone to it, very muted. So it is going to look really good. So I'm just going to apply the eyeshadow all over my eyes. You don't need to be very precise with it because it's going all over the eyes. That was my phone. All good. All good. Anyway, let's just continue. Now let's get some frostiness in, and the best and the easiest way to do it is highlighting. And that is exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna start by highlighting my cheeks. And I have taken a very frosty shade, as you can see. And you can actually go crazy with the highlighter, and I love that part. So on the brow bone and on the inner corners, and this will go on top of the eyelids also. So when you look straight and you look down and here and there, all the frostiness is there. Also definitely on the nose. And lastly, the highlighter goes to my cheeks. No, this is my chin. So with that, we are done with the face. So for the eyes, we have to do a really tiny wing, and let's see how it looks. I'm actually nervous about it because for me personally, I would never prefer something like that because it can be daunting. Because let's see, I mean, I don't know if it would look good or not. Let's try it out. Okay, this is good. I'll just extend the inner corner a little bit, not too much, not too dramatic, just ever so slightly. So we're done with the eyeliner. It's time for some mascara. Before that, I'll just curl my lashes really well. Time for some mascara. The lips are actually not that natural in this look. So what I've noticed is every look has a lip liner that makes the lip look more pouty. So that is what we are going to do today. So I'm taking this really cool toned brown. So first I'll line my lip. I do not overline my lower lip because it does not need any overlining at all. Only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just overline a little bit in here. So you see the difference, it makes it look a little more cute. I'm definitely gonna overline the upper lips. Like that, and also I'm gonna blend this too. So if you have watched my video, if you have watched my Korean puff lip video, you know exactly what I'm doing. So if you so I have explained the whole thing on that video, you can go and check that out. But in today's video, I'm going to do the exact same thing. So first I'm going to take the same pot that I took for my cheeks, and I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to apply it on my lips. So one layer of that color, and I'll go in with a darker color now. I'm going to take a little bit of it. I'm just going to apply a little bit of it in the center. The hair stays natural as it is, and here is the finished look. So my lovelies, here we come to an end of the video. That was the video. I love how this look turned out. Honestly, this is just looking so good, so effortless, and yeah, I am pretty impressed by myself. So we hope you like this video. For clean, safe, natural beauty products, you can always shop only at Femica. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, even after watching this video, what are you doing? Please subscribe. I'm gonna bring you guys more amazing videos. Do check out all the product links, all the products that are linked in the description box below. Also join the community and welcome yourself to the world of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness. And you can do so by connecting with us through all our social media platforms, the links to which are either on your screen or definitely mentioned in the description box below. I will see you guys with another amazing video really soon. Till then, take care.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.